Hi there. Welcome to our video on how to find motivation. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone trying to get through the day, we've got some tips and tricks that will help you get motivated and stay that way. The first tip we have is to set goals. It's important to have a clear idea of what you want to achieve and to break it down into smaller, manageable steps. This will help you to stay focused and motivated, as you can track your progress and see how far you've come. The second tip is to make a to-do list. Write down all the tasks you need to accomplish, prioritize them, and then tackle them one by one. This will help you to stay organized and focused, and also give you a sense of accomplishment as you cross things off your list. The third tip is to take breaks. It's important to give your mind and body a rest, especially when you're feeling overwhelmed or stressed. Take a walk, do some yoga, or meditate for a few minutes to recharge your batteries and come back to your work feeling refreshed. The fourth tip is to surround yourself with positive people. Being around people who are supportive and encouraging can help you stay motivated, and also provide a sounding board for your ideas and goals. Finally, remember to breathe. When we're stressed or anxious, we tend to take shallow breaths, which can lead to fatigue and burnout. Take a few deep breaths, focusing on your inhale and exhale to calm your mind and relax your body. So there you have it, our tips and tricks for finding motivation. Remember, everyone experiences moments of low motivation, but with a little effort and some simple strategies, you can get back on track and achieve your goals. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.